look at the care look, look at the code carefully and try to estimate what would be the output. You pause the video and just think about it. I'm going to run this code and see that it is 11. Most of us imagine, think that it is going to give us numbers from 1 to 10 because it is very straightforward, a for loop, and no, within that a print statement. But it is just a pretension. There is a cold culprit here, which is standing here, a semicolon. Most of us people think that there is it's a crime or syntactically wrong to give a semicolon at the end of a loop, something like this. But yes, we can give a semicolon at the end of a loop. Okay, in fact, even for if we can give a semicolon. So what does this semicolon mean here? The semicolon at the end of this loop means that the loop is ending here itself. There are no further instructions attached to this loop. Giving this kind of indentation and writing this print below this for loop is just a pretension that it is under for loop, but this print is not under for loop because your for loop ended here itself. So what happens as a result? I gets initialized to 1, 1 less than 10, yes, but end of the loop. So at the end of the loop, I gets incremented to 2, which is less than or equal to 10. End of the loop, so I gets incremented to 3, 3 less than or equal to 10, yes. It gets incremented to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 less than or equal to 10. So it goes and becomes 11. And when it comes back to the condition, 11 less than or equal to 10 fails. That is when we come out of the loop. And after coming out of the loop, we are trying to print the value of I. By then, value of I has already become this 11. So that is how we got 11 here. So be careful whenever some pseudocodes are given something like this. You have to be very careful whether there is a cold semicolon standing there at the end of the loop or not. Okay, I hope this is understood by everyone.